What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a way to sell more into your WordPress website easily and fast. There is an effective technique on e-commerce that is called upsells, and luckily for us there is an amazing plugin that can do it for us and have integration with WooCommerce. So imagine the following scenario. You do have your e-commerce store running up onto your WordPress using WooCommerce plugin, and while the process of adding products to your cart, for example, you would like to see pop-ups, you would like to see opportunities to buy together, almost like when you are on Amazon, for example, and you see frequently bought together, or you see extra offers, or see, for example, product related that can enjoy and can make your potential customers to buy more into a single order. Okay, how to do this is what we're gonna learn into this video. For this video we're gonna use the pro version of UpsellWP, but in the case that you want to start and test, there is a free version called UpsellWP. To install this plugin, all you have to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin, and into the upper right corner of our screen, search for UpsellWP. Here is the guy that we are looking for, okay? UpsellWP. And to install, all you have to do is click on install now. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna be using the pro version. To get the pro version, go to UpsellWP.com. I'm gonna give you into the video description a coupon code in the case that you want. You can go to buy Upsell plugin now, just like this, and choose the best option for you. After this, you're gonna be able to have a file like this one I'm gonna show with you, and you can go to plugins on your WordPress left sidebar of menus, add new plugin, go to upload plugin, choose file, select the plugin pro version, click on open, click on install now. This file is just gonna be downloading from their website, nothing to worry, and click into the activate plugin. Okay, as soon as you do this, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list on your WordPress website, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay, and review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Next to the WooCommerce features, you're gonna be able to find next to products UpsellWP, and let me start going to the dashboard so I can share with you. Right here, you can see the conversion, the upsell revenue, the upsell orders, so you can have a control and see how successful your campaigns are going, okay? But let's create our campaign. So click right here and click into add new campaign. And the plugin have a lot of options to do upsells. For example, my favorite one, and one of my favorite ones, used to be the shop and category page upsells, and we have upsells pop-ups. Let me show you how it works. Click on create campaign. Now choose what triggers upsell pop-ups. I can choose this two right here because I want it, but it's up to you. You can choose in the way that you want. Product, we can choose related products, or we can set specific products to appear into this pop-up. It's all up to you. You can enter a name to your campaign in the case that you want. There is tutorials in the case that you have some questions, and of course you can use the comment section to this video in the case that you have some question. We can set a start date, okay, and we can set an end date for this campaign. All can be set right here. Choose to save and close. Now let's see our shop page. Here is our shop. Now imagine that one of our clients would like to add this flowers into their cart by clicking on add cart. Now we can see a pop-up that asks the customer to add other special deals. For example, just like this, they can add extra things to their carts, okay? And when the customer going to view the cart, they're gonna be able to purchase more from your shop, and this can increase your revenue, okay? Simple, right? But how about in the case that I want to add these offers into another part of our site. Let me show you, for example. Let me just remove these things from the cart. Let me go back to the shop. We can create more and more campaigns. For example, go to create campaign. We can have, for example, frequently bought together. We can add some filter. All products, special products, product tags, product SKUs. It's up to you, okay? So it's all up to you, the organization, and how it takes. You can use related products and set end dates, updates. You can use the recommendation engine. The plugin have this, it's an amazing feature. We can use the bundle products. We can give discounts in the case that we want, for example. There is some templates that you can choose from and edit the campaign template style. Let me show you. Now, if the customer goes to the product, frequently bought together, and there is a total price, okay? Almost like Amazon does. And there is extra and extra features. For example, the checkout upsells. We can add some conditions in the case that we want. We can use before, payment gateway. We can use handle offer, A/B testing, all offerings. Up to you, okay? The settings and how you do set this is up to your needs and your store needs, the kind of product you sell, okay? Let me share one offer. I need to add an offer. I can give a percentage discount. Discount value 10%. Usage limits is optional, okay? Here is how the offer gonna looks like in mobile or desktop. We can change the content of the offer in the case that I want, and the design of the offer. Let me save. Now, let me show you how does it work. Let me go back to the product page. Add a product to my cart. For example, this one. Let's view the cart. Here is our cart. Let's proceed to checkout. So, if you go to the checkout, you can see the checkout upsell offer just like this, with a 10% discount. And to get the exclusive offer now, all you have to do is click into this button. A single click, and the customer now have 2 products on their cart with the coupon code already applied, all in a simple way, and they can proceed with the order and place the order. Let me show you a few extra options, okay? Create a new campaign. We have checkout page, we have post-purchase upsells, okay? And we have thank you page. Imagine the following scenario. The customer made an order on your site, but you would like to give a coupon code for the customer to repeat the order soon. For example, if you place another order into 10 days into the shop, you can use this coupon code. You can create a campaign for this. Next order coupons. Click on it. Percentage discount. Value can be 22%. Coupon left. Coupon prefix. We have advanced settings to play with. We can add the coupon into the top of thank you page, bottom, before, after, up to you, okay? All up to you. Do not display, before, after. There is conditions in the case that you want to display this, and we have a template that you can view or edit the style of the template of the thank you page. Let me save the change. If you place the order, you can see there is a coupon code that you can use after the order made. And of course, we can edit this to share more options. For example, we can generate the coupon code after other order conditions, for example, okay, processing, pending payment, on hold. And in the case that you want, you can change the template. For example, changing the style, the colors, and other things like this. Or even customizing the template to change the content, the design options, and the display ideas. And of course, test this all on mobile and desktop. All into a simple, fast, and very effective way to make the customer buy again on your shop. There is extra features and a lot of nice features that you can explore. There is tutorials into their website that you can explore as well to learn from the videos. And in the case that you want, there is a live website that you can see all the options in action. I would love to show every option for you, but there is lots of things. One of my favorite ones right here, for example, the cart addition. Let me show you into the live demo. Here is how it works. Cart demo addition. Nice, right? It's a very simple add-on option that you can use to play with, just like this, or like this. Nice, right? And in this way, the customer can buy more from your shop. Is there other nice options that you can explore? Let me show you. The post-purchase upsells. This is how it works. Okay, let me show you. Can you see your order? It's not processed yet. Offer expires in, and there is a counter, okay, and 20% discount. And if you add this into this time, you can get the discount. Decline offer or add offer to my order. Nice, right? This is how many options we have to play with. Simple, easy, and very effective. And of course, we can always go back to campaigns, edit, activate, deactivate, see how many views the campaign gets, for example, just like our checkout campaigns, and get information. On the dashboard, there is an information, for example, upsell revenue, conversion, upsell orders. There is graphics right here, and you're gonna be able to explore the campaign revenue and how does it works for you. Week, month, 30 days. The plugin also offers some add-ons, okay? The side cart and other nice add-ons that you can explore later. We have some recommendations right here that you can explore as well. We have the settings panel where you can enter our license. This is very important. If you purchase the Pro version, please enter the license right here so you can get automatic updates. We have the campaign options, template options, engine options. We have shortcodes that you can play with. We have the compatibility mode and the weekly report. Okay, simple, easy, and very effective. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the plugin in the case that you love it, and I'm sure you're gonna will. I'm gonna leave a coupon code that you can use to make your orders. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.